even Bach remedies, like the 36 remedies that we have.
I would say 36 beautiful remedies.
Yeah, they are very beautiful. I love them.
Because when you touch each of the bottles, they have a certain story to tell you.
Oh, yes. And every medicine has its own, it represents an emotion
It's
in
a
a
picture
human.
in its own self. I feel it's a
Yeah.
picture in its own self. Bach flower is something, like very scientific. Along with very scientific, it is so
It's
deep.
spiritual. I call it magic medicine.
It is so deep. Yeah,
Yeah.
I know. I have been giving Bach flower for children who have examination funk.
Yeah.
And they
It
say,
works
Dr.
wonders.
Meghna, I just take 4-5 doses and I don't feel that fear. See, you can't call something so profound a quackery.
Yes.
People are there who say, when I am traveling and I'm feeling separation anxiety or Monday blues, which are very small thing to say but very profound to experience.
Yes.
I remember when my college was away from my home. I used to feel so homesick. My parents used to give me Bach flower from a certain uh, homeopath or a natural healer, and that one dose used to make me feel so good. I said I want to study this one day.
Yes.
So thankfully homeopathy supports Bach flowers, so I'm in a win-win situation.
Yes. Oh, that's so beautiful. That's so beautiful to know. So
You
they
just
go
touch
hand in
also
hand.
Bach flower. You just touch also Bach flower. You don't have to take it. I think that healing
Yeah,
starts
yeah,
happening
yeah.
on a very spiritual and deeper
Rescue
level.
remedy, so we keep dabbing on ourselves. It's
Yeah.
it's one of the, I call it magic medicine, and rescue remedy is something we all have by our bedside.
So because these are
It
dynamic
really
medicines,
works.
na? Or
Yeah.
the homeopathy and Bach are so dynamic.
Yes.
They work on the principle of dynamism, where you get such system of medicine which can just proclaim and prove at the same time.
Yes. That's so beautiful.
Which is like, it's like somebody has the switch. You just have to tell that person to on it.
Yes.
That is the beauty of both homeopathy and Bach flower remedy. I love both of them.
How important it is to be empathic to your patients.
I think it is very important for any healer, any physician, any doctor to be empathetic to the patient, because they come with so much of faith to you
And
that
hope.
this person will make me all right. So empathetic, because you have to understand that if there is a certain serious situation, you can't just wear them off by saying no, इसमें कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, नहीं आप ऐसा कर लो. You have to go to the core of it. You have to make that person understand that you're coming to me and मैं आपको ठीक करूँगा. See, जब आप बोलोगे मैं आपको ठीक करूँगा, वो पर्सन भी आपके पास से सब जगह जाके आया है. फॉर अ होम्योपैथ लाइक मी, दे हैव गॉन टू सर्टन वेरी बिग पीपल, देन दे हैव नोन फ्रॉम वाया पीपल कि अरे इनके पास गए थे, ये तकलीफ ठीक हो गई, एंड देन दे हैव कम टू मी. सो ये डॉक्टर साहब आप में तो बहुत भरोसा है. तो आई एम लाइक, भरोसा दवाई में रखो.
Yes.
वी आर मियर मॉर्टल्स. हम बहुत हद तक आपको गाइड कर सकते हैं, पर ये दवाइयाँ आपको ज़रूर हेल्प करेगी. मैं नहीं, कोई और भी देगा तो हेल्प करेगी. सो यू हैव टू बी एम्पैथेटिक टू अंडरस्टैंड द पेन ऑफ द पेशेंट. सो दैट इज हाउ आई फील दैट एनीबडी हु इज इन हीलिंग.
So what are the different modalities that you combine? So there's food medicine. How does that work? Like, what is food medicine when you say food medicine?
So we all have blood groups. I hope you know that certain blood groups are reactant to certain diseases. Like a person with AB will always prone to clots, tumors, diseases of the arteries. O is usually susceptible to most of the thing. Even like malaria and dengue, most of the AB group people have. O has a certain blessings from Divine Almighty कि तू बच जाएगा.
O positive or O negative also?
O positive, O in general.
Okay.
But AB, B, they are prone to a lot of gruesome diseases like cancer also. Because A and B have the tendency to have a lot of inflammation in the system. So certain foods also can work for them. This is how food medicine is incorporated. अब आप PCOS ले लो, PCOD ले लो. These are very lifestyle based disorder. Some 25-30 years back, how many teenagers you knew उनको PCOS, PCOD है? Because lifestyle disorder नहीं थे.
80% girls have it right now.
80% having, because pizza, burger, I also love, no doubt about it, but in moderation. But nowadays this has become a pattern. Initially the food that used to be cooked in the house, वो ages से चलते आता था. That turmeric used to come from a certain place.
Yes.
That चिली पाउडर आ रहा है एक जगह से,
Organic, very organic.
ऑर्गेनिक ऑल्सो, या एक ही जगह से। जब आप एक ही चीज़ हर बार खाते हो तो आप उसकी इम्यून हो जाते हो. Now there is a lot of variation happening. Today I will try olive oil. People are frying things in olive oil. Olive oil. Is it olive oil a medium to fry? It is not.
Oh,
People
that's very
blindly say, no,
interesting.
my cholesterol and my triglycerides are high, so I will do one thing, I'll have food fried in olive oil. But olive oil is not a food to be fried in. And LDL cholesterol और HDL cholesterol तो सिर्फ बढ़ा हुआ दिखता है. आप उनका रेशो देखो ना. HDL is a good cholesterol. Any person who is doing physical exercise, he will build up a good HDL cholesterol. So food medicine is so important because पहले के ज़माने में ठंडी आती थी, तो people used to have गोंद का लड्डू. People used to have अलसी का laddu. Nowadays people say this is too fattening, but you are having some certain cheese or certain high-end alcohol which can trigger your heart disease. So food medicine is so important in day-to-day life as far as small children are concerned.
Yes.
What you incorporate in their food right now, they will grow into far stronger and healthier people.
Yes. Yes.
I see so many kids, their mother said, doctor, can you please give medicines? They don't eat green vegetables. I wish my mother would have heard this 20 years back or 30 years back, and she would have said, God has given me a very good child. She used to say that because options hi nahi the. No more the options are, the more the children are getting diverted to the food.
Yeah.
So food medicine is definitely a very important part of my...
Like they say, no, jaisa an vaisa man. So it is like what you eat
Yeah,
is
yeah.
what you become.
Yes, that's why
It's very important.
Sattvic food now is becoming again a trend. When you go to
Yes.
West, people say, would you like to have sattvic food? I just look at them and I said, yes, it's coming from my land, so I know what sattvic, but we have lost the whole integrity about sattvic food. So food medicine is very important in my